Start by finely shredding the cabbage and rinsing it. Set it aside. Mix the ground beef with 1 grated onion, the spices mentioned in the description, chickpea flour, and 1 tablespoon of soaked saffron. Shape the mixture into small meatballs. Heat some oil in a pan and sauté the beef meatballs over high heat until browned. Then set aside. Finely chop 2 onions and sauté them in oil until golden brown. Add salt, black pepper, turmeric, and 3 tablespoons of water. Let it caramelize. Add the shredded cabbage and sauté. Cover the pan and cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes until the cabbage softens. Add the tomato paste along with 2 tablespoons of soaked saffron and continue to sauté until the color changes. Add the lemon juice along with the browned meatballs and mix well. Sauté for another few minutes. Cook the rice halfway and drain it. In a large pot, first layer some saffron and oil mixture, then add a layer of bread for tautug, crispy rice. Alternate layers of saffron rice and the meat mixture, sprinkling some ground lime powder between the layers. Finish with a layer of rice and pour a mixture of water and oil over the top. Cover the pot with a lid and let it cook on low heat for about 40 minutes until fully cooked. Enjoy your meal.